Another question. For the network shown, find current I of t if the switch is opened at t equal to 0. So again, here there is a capacitor. So we need to find out the initial voltage across capacitor. So let's draw the circuit for t equal to 0 minus, which corresponds to the steady state. The switch is closed at t equal to 0 minus. There is a dependent source, capacitor replaced by open circuit. This is 20. This will be 8 into I of 0 minus. If this is I of 0 minus, this is also 8 into I of 0 minus, and this is VC of 0 minus. This is 20 and this is 150. So in order to find out VC of 0 minus, we need to know the value of this source, which is 8 into I of 0 minus. So let's find out I of 0 minus first. I of 0 minus equal to, now since this is open, take this outer loop, this loop, this loop, okay. Then what will be I of 0 minus? I of 0 minus will be 150 divided by 20 plus 20. So 150 by 40. This is I of 0 minus, which is 3.75 ampere. Okay. Now let's find out V of 0 minus. For that, take this loop, the second loop. So when we take the second loop, we'll get, apply KVL equation in the second loop, we'll get VC of 0 minus will be equal to 20 into I of 0 minus. 20 into I of 0 minus minus 8 into I of 0 minus. I of 0 minus is 3.75. On substituting, we'll get it as 45 volt. Okay. Now we have got the initial values. Now we can draw the circuit at t greater than 0 in S domain. So the switch is open, means 150 volt is not connected. So the circuit will be So the circuit will be 8 into I of S, 20. Then this is 1 by CS. So 1 by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 S. And voltage source V of 0 minus by S, which is 45 by S. Now we can write the KVL equation. 20 into I of S minus 45 by S plus 1 by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 S into I of S minus 8 into I of S equal to 0, or I of S into 20 plus 8. Sorry, 20 minus 8. 20 I of S and minus 8 I of S, which is 12, plus 1 by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6S equal to 45 by S, or I of S equal to 45 by 12S plus 1 by 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now this is in the standard form. We can divide all the terms by 12 and find out I of t. This can be written as, we'll get I of t equal to 3.75 into e raised to minus 16667 t. This is I of t. Question is, find current in 30 ohm resistance when the switch is opened at t equal to 0. So here there is a dependent source in the circuit and there is a inductor. So this circuit has been closed for a long time and the switch is opened at t equal to 0. So let's find out what is the initial current flowing through inductor at t equal to 0 minus. So the switch is closed. The switch is closed. Okay. And inductor in steady state can be replaced by short circuit. And we need to find out this initial current flowing through inductor. This is 60, 40, 15I, 30. Okay. So this is 60 volt means the voltage across this point is also 60. So if 60 is the voltage across 30 ohm, then what will be IL of 0 minus? IL of 0 minus will be 60 by 30, which is 2 ampere. Now we can draw the S domain equivalent for t greater than 0. For t greater than 0, the switch is open. So 60 volt is not connected to the circuit. So at t greater than 0, the circuit will be inductor followed by, since there is an initial current, there will be a voltage source having polarity minus plus. This is 15I, 40, 30, 2 Henry is 2S. This is L into I of 0 minus. L is 2, I of 0 minus is 2, so it will be 4 volt. And the current flowing through this is I of S. This is the circuit in S domain for t greater than 0. Now we can write the KVL equation. 40 and 30 are in series. We can write it as 70 into I of S plus 2S into I of S. This is minus, this is also minus. So minus 15 I of S equal to 4. Or 55 I of S plus 2S into I of S equal to 4. Or I of S equal to 4 divided by 2S plus 55, or this can be written as 2 divided by S plus 55 by 2, which is 27.5. So this is in standard form. Therefore I of t is equal to, what will be I of t? 2 into e raised to minus 27.5t